Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali. This is the new video of chat app series. So in the previous video we have successfully added click listener on this menu items and also set a click listener on this home button. So now in this video we will fetch the data from the Firebase and assign to this image and username. So let's get started. First of all we will create the database reference and Firebase auth. So create here Firebase auth mauth Firebase user muser. Now database reference muser ref. Okay, now we will initialize it. So here m auth equal to Firebase auth dot get instance muser equal to mauth dot get current user m user ref equal to Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference and child. If I open my database, as you can see here is user. We will fetch the data under this reference. Okay, now inside on start method, first we will check user exists or not. So first create on start method, this one, and here we will check if user exists or not. If muser equal to null, mean over user is logged out. So we need to send the user to our login activity. So here create a method send user to login activity. Okay, now press on it and press alt insert to create a method inside this activity. So here create a intent equal to new intent. This is our main activity dot this. The target activity is our login activity. Okay, now start activity and here pass the intent and finally finish. Okay, now if user not logged out, I mean user exists, then what we have to do? We have to fetch the data from this Firebase. You can see here. So m userref dot child. Here we need to pass the user ID. So here you can see user, under this user we have user ID. So here we will add the user ID. So m user dot get UI dot add value event listener, new value event listener. Okay, first put a semicolon here. Now here we will check if data snapshot exists, mean our user have already added the data, then we have to fetch the data. So here we will create two variables. First one is string profile image URL and the second one is username. I will put a V because it's V values. So also we will put a V here. So it's mean it's values that we have fetched from database. So here we will initialize it. So profile image view data snapshot dot child, and this child will be profile image view. Dot get values dot toString. Okay, now duplicate this line and change it into username v, and also here we need to change the username. Make sure you have same spellings, you can see here. Okay, now after fetching the data we will assign the data to our image view and username, you can see here. So we will access this username and profile image by using over this view, because in the previous video we have added the view over header layout by using this view, if you remember. Okay, now we will initialize our profile image. So profile circle image view, profile image view, header, and now text view, username, header. Okay, now we will initialize it, profile image view, header. Now here we will pass the view dot find view by id, r dot id dot profile image header. Now same for user, so username header equal to view dot find view by id, r dot id dot username header. Okay, now we will initialize the values to this header. So first of all we will add the Picasso library, because we will add the image to over this circle image view by using the Picasso. So open your browser and search here Picasso dependency. Open the first link, scroll down, and here we will copy the Picasso dependency and paste it inside our build.gradle module file, and click on sync now. Okay, now close this file and go to main activity, and here we will add over image, so Picasso. So if you did not find this Picasso here, just simply click on build and rebuild project. Now again type here Picasso, you can see here Picasso is available. Dot get dot, here we will pass the URL, so call this method URL, and here is values that we have fetched. So here we will pass the image profile URL dot placeholder if you want to add placeholder, but I'm not going to add here. I will pass here into, and here we will pass the image view where we have to add the image. So profile image view header. Okay, now we will type username header dot set text, and here we will pass username values. Okay, now in else condition we simply show a toast message that data is not fetched. Okay, now run the application. Our application successfully running, so let's click on this home button. As you can see here, profile image and our username. So if I go to my browser and open my database, as you can see second user is login. So if I change the name here, let's say I type any name, Alan Walk, and here you can see it's runtime changed. So in this way you can fetch the data using the Firebase. So our header is completed. So if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care.